As a Trex deck builder, we build high-end projects. We sometimes need a screen system that goes well with our Trex railing system. Today we're going to be using the DuraPost SLEEK aluminium fence to give this project a much better backdrop. Not every project is going to be a case of using the full panels. Sometimes you have to cut one down. I'm going to show you how easy that is. Top tip when putting the panels back together. I put the clip between both boards and slightly prise them apart with my other hand and then just pull them down. They slot together nicely. DuraPost SLEEK products are virtually maintenance-free. A regular clean with warm soapy water, hose off, that's it, all done. As an installer, it's always exciting to hand over the project to the client. With a 20-year warranty, I can do this with peace of mind. So I'm excited to now say to the client, take a look at your new SLEEK screen.